sleek, sophisticated, and engineered for those who demand both luxury and performance. The 2025 Range Rover Velar 454 sets a new benchmark in the world of premium SUVs. With its dynamic presence and cutting-edge technology, the Velar 454 blends refined British craftsmanship with bold innovation, promising an elevated driving experience like no other. Performance. Under the hood, the Velar 454 roars with a powerful turbocharged inline-six engine, delivering seamless acceleration and a confident ride on every terrain. Whether you're navigating winding roads or cruising down the highway, the Velar's adaptive suspension and all-wheel drive system provide precision handling and comfort. Its refined powertrain ensures that performance doesn't come at the expense of smoothness. This SUV is as graceful as it is gutsy. Exterior design. The 2025 Velar 454 is a masterclass in minimalist design. From its flush door handles to its floating roof and signature LED headlights, every element is crafted to turn heads. Clean lines and aerodynamic contours give it a futuristic edge, while bold new color options and 22-inch alloy wheels add a touch of personalized flair. It's an SUV that makes a statement without ever shouting. Interior design. Step inside and you're welcomed into a sanctuary of modern luxury. The cabin is lined with sustainable premium materials, from Windsor leather to tactile wood and aluminum accents. A dual touchscreen layout integrates seamlessly with Pivi Pro infotainment, offering intuitive control over navigation, media, and climate. With ambient lighting, advanced noise insulation, and spacious seating, the Velar's interior is designed for both comfort and calm, whether you're in city traffic or on a weekend getaway. Fuel efficiency. Efficiency meets elegance in the Velar 454. Its mild hybrid technology improves fuel economy without compromising power, making it a responsible choice for eco-conscious drivers. The intelligent energy recapture system enhances performance while keeping emissions in check, striking a smart balance between sustainability and sophistication. The 2025 Range Rover Velar 454 is more than just a luxury SUV, it's a bold expression of what modern driving should be. With unmatched style, advanced performance, and a focus on sustainability, it's a vehicle built for those who lead, not follow. For those ready to redefine their journey, the Velar 454 awaits. Would you like this in a brochure-style layout or social media post version as well?